These notes are from Profitnama's NISM Research Analyst Guidebook. The link is provided in the description below. Now, let's learn about defining the industry. The first step in industry analysis is to clearly define the industry in which a company operates. This can be complex due to the various classification systems used around the world. One challenge in industry classification is that different systems, like the National Industry Classification (NIC) in India, the Global Industry Classification Standard (GICS), and the North American Industry Classification System (NAICS) in the US, may not fully capture the essence of an industry. For example, the NIC groups all car manufacturers together, despite the differences between compact and luxury car segments. Another issue is multi-industry competition. Many companies operate across multiple industries, which can make defining their industry more difficult. For instance, PVR Limited competes with both OTT platforms and live performance venues. This challenges the idea of narrow industry definitions, as their business spans different sectors. Industry boundaries are also dynamic and can shift over time. A great example of this is how technological advancements, like mobile phones, have impacted the sales of standalone cameras. This shows how industry boundaries can evolve and change as technology progresses. When defining an industry, analysts must consider the primary business drivers. For example, PVR Limited could be classified under out-of-home or entertainment if it is driven by consumer leisure activities outside the home. Alternatively, it could be categorized under entertainment media if the primary focus is on movie content consumption. I hope you have understood this topic by now. If you have any confusion or need help, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format with cash on delivery options. You can find the link in the description below. Become a Profitnama member today to access all our website content and get doubt clearing support on WhatsApp. Visit Profitnama today.